Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind was I was a lead ride engineer. I got to lead a team of amazing people to bring this ride system to life.
Wow. So how long would you say you were working on this project?
Oh, many years now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
many years. What is it like for you to see it come to fruition like this?
To see it from paper or computer screen now,
Yeah.
to build, to install, and to test, it's been amazing experience to just see it come to life. It really is.
And you know, I'm a big roller coaster nerd. Like, so that's my thing. I'm a big coaster geek, right? So from the moment you guys, well, it was rumored, but you put out that video showing the Omnicoasters being tested. It was like, okay, they're going in on the Omnicoaster thing. What was it like for you as an engineer to work with that kind of technology? Because it's one of the first times that anybody's really used it in this kind of way.
Oh, absolutely. So coming together with this concept of, hey, we're going to take our Omnimover system like we have on Haunted Mansion and put it on top of a roller coaster is like, all right, let's do this, let's try something new and something different. And yeah, we got to experience some of the coasters that do provide that 360 spin. You've been on some of them, I'm sure.
Coasters, right.
Yeah,
Yep.
And definitely a different feel, right? When you control the motion of that rotation, it really just adds another next level element to riding a coaster.
So what are I don't know about the secrets, but there has to be just so much testing that goes with that, right? Because you can manipulate it, but like they have to turn, especially when video's involved, like that has to be like such a detailed process. What is that like?
Yeah, so you start on paper, you're really looking at what you want the guests to experience. You want them to see this epic battle through time and space with the Guardians, and you want to point them to certain scenes. So strategically, we did look at, okay, we want you here, we want the track pointing this way, but we still gave ourselves some flexibility in programming the yaw system, so we could have some fun and do maybe a couple 360s in there, and going through the test phase of that. It is a very rigorous process to make sure everything is safe and reliable. And once we got to that point, we were like, okay, let's see what we can really do with this system. And we tried out all kinds of different rotations, some different profiles, see what worked, what really didn't, and some syncing with the media that you see and some without. And it really, it came together, and some of what you experienced today was a lot of trial and error, really, in testing.
Yeah, and so you brought up the video. As far as that process goes, does the video get done first and then you design the coaster interact with the video? Or do you say, like, this is what I want the coaster to do and how it's going to feel, so can you make the video interact with that?
It was a combination of the two. Like, we kind of went down the same path together. We knew a rough idea of what we wanted to do in video, and we had a rough idea of what we wanted to do with the ride. So I believe if you unstack those, it would have been a much longer process, right?
Sure, yeah.
Because you'd keep going back and forth between each other, like, oh, now we want to tweak the media. No, now we want to tweak the ride.
Yeah,
right?
right.
So
If you're like, oh, I got to change the video, I got to change all my work.
yeah,
too, right?
yeah. So
Wow.
we kind of had to go side by side and develop both at the same time.
So the cool thing about this being programmed is I would take it once this opens, and you're going to get a huge trial once the general public gets in here. Are you guys going to be monitoring that and saying, like, okay, maybe we can make this tweak here, tone down the spinning here, maybe increase the intensity here? Like, will that be a moving thing, or how does that work?
No, it's expected to keep what you see today.
Okay.
So there is no expectations at this time
Right.
to continue to tweak that, but
Gotcha.
you never know.
But you could have I guess my question is, you have the flexibility to do that with this technology, right?
That is correct.
Any chance for people like me, you could do like crazy mode where I show up after hours and a bunch of us we pay extra money and you like turn it on, like really rip it?
You never know what
All right.
Disney will provide as an experience.
What else can I put in the comment suggestion? You're enjoying your job?
I absolutely am. It is something else to be able to work with this team and collaborate with something as awesome as Guardians of the Galaxy,
Yeah.
Cosmic Rewind. It's an amazing attraction, and I'm really glad that we can finally share it with the world
I know.
because